OpenSea is one of the most popular marketplaces for NFTs. This video covers how to buy NFTs on OpenSea and Rarible. Step 1. Creating a crypto wallet account with MetaMask. There are multiple crypto wallets out there offering unique features, making them beneficial in certain situations. MetaMask and Fortmatic are amongst the best desktop and mobile-based crypto wallets. Go on the OpenSea homepage and click the top right wallet button. From the drop-down, click on MetaMask, and the page will redirect you towards the page where you can install it. Step 2. Syncing MetaMask wallet with OpenSea. If you are using MetaMask the first time, click on the extension on your browser and click the Get Started button. Follow the next step and then select a password. Then head to the OpenSea homepage page and click on the account option in the top right corner, which will lead you to the sign-in page. Select your wallet from the options and click Sign In. Your wallet is now connected to the OpenSea account. Step 3. Adding funds to the OpenSea NFT crypto wallet. Ethereum network's native currency Ether or ETH is used to pay for purchases as well as for gas fees. Note that the gas fee is not charged by OpenSea, rather the cost of conducting a full transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. After the transaction is complete, you can now start trading at OpenSea. Step 4. NFT buying tips at OpenSea, how to browse and find NFTs. Click on the Explore All NFTs button located on the top bar, and it will take up to the browsing page. Here you can search across different categories: status, auction, on sale, new, offers, price, collection, chains, as well as recently created, sold, and listed. Select the NFT you like, then click on it to buy it. Here you can see the price history, description, properties, details, as well as trading history. Get the option to buy now, or you can make an offer. If you know how to buy NFTs on OpenSea, buying them on Rarible is very simple and straightforward. To buy your NFT, head over to Rarible and click on the Connect button. Once you connect to Rarible with your MetaMask account, your cryptocurrency can be used to purchase or bid on any NFTs or live auctions. Once you connect your MetaMask account, you can buy or bid for the NFT to buy.